Hello, I'm Claire from Ace English. Prepositions are some of the smallest words in English, but they are some of the most confusing for learners. In this video, I'm going to explain how prepositions work in British English, why they're so important, and how you can start using them more naturally and confidently in everyday situations. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between different parts of a sentence. It usually tells us where, when, or how something happens. For example, in, on, at, to, from, with, between. Prepositions may look simple, but choosing the wrong one can completely change the meaning of a sentence or make it sound unnatural. Many learners struggle with prepositions because they don't translate directly from other languages. Instead, you need to learn patterns and usage. This is especially important in British English because some prepositions are used differently in American English. Let's start with prepositions of time. In British English, we usually say in for months, years, and parts of the day. For example, in January, in 2026, in the morning. On is for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on the 12th of June. At is for specific times and events. For example, at night, at Christmas, at 4 p.m. Learning these patterns will help you sound more accurate and clear when talking about time. Now let's look at place. In, inside something. In the bag, in the car. On a surface. On the table, on the floor. At a location, at home, at the shop. Small differences like these are very common in everyday British English, and they're worth practicing carefully. Prepositions also show movement. Into, inside. Out of, outside. Across, moving from one side to the other. Through, moving from one end to the other. These prepositions help your sentences sound precise and natural when describing actions. British and American English sometimes uses different prepositions. In British English, we say at the weekend, in hospital, at university. If you're learning British English, it's important to follow British usage consistently. Some common mistakes learners make include mixing in, on, at, using the wrong prepositions for transport, and copying American usage without realizing. The key is exposure. The more you read and listen, the more these patterns start to feel natural. To improve your use of prepositions, read regularly, listen to British speakers, learn prepositions in context, not by translation, and practice little and often. Progress comes from consistency, not by memorizing long lists. If you'd like structured help with your British English grammar and real conversation practice, we have over 100 mini courses and 3 live Zoom classes every week taught by 100% British tutors. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.